All right, let's configure Maven in a quick go. Open any browser and go to new tab and type her Maven download and go to this website Maven download Apache and go to this binary archive and download that link if you are on Windows. Right, once download is completed, we need to go to that folder where it is downloaded and we need to extract the file. So we need to extract it. Right, once the Maven is extracted, just copy the location of Maven, and again go to the environment variables, and in the environment variables go to the environment variables and click on here, which is M2E. We need to type M2E underscore home. I think this are all capitals, and click on and paste this the link of the Maven just downloaded, right? You need to paste that link here, and again you need to create one more new, this time Maven underscore home, and paste it link, and in the system variables in the path, go to the path and click on new, and at the end try to add a bin, so with the bin directory, and click on OK, and that's all. The Maven is done. Now let me go to the project and the local folder of that project, which is this, which is test reports, right? So again, open a CMD here, new CMD. This time let's simply type mbn mbn clean test. So this time it should run because we just set up the Maven, right? So it has performed test and we got some errors, but don't worry, we will debug later on that what are these all these errors.